let's present Commodore 2 CPC palette builder. It's just for fun. But this is some voilà, here. Just to show how it's fun. Center it. Firstly, the original Commodore palette. Secondly, additive colors. In fact, only the second palette is editable. To edit, it's quite simple. You press here green, or green you don't see, brown, and then you click and grab and you can change the color of the palette. So then I just have to dispatch circles. I can reset it. I open the palette. No, that's not it. Yeah, source. On the I said the right green blue import. Here you can also import from YUV, and you can export. Click right click for the menu. Here you just type a name dot annexation. That's all.